Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in with Art of Beauty. As you can see, I'm starting off with a bare face, and that is because we are going to be doing a makeup look today. I have an idea of what look I'm going for, but I'm not exactly sure if that's what I'm going to be doing. So we're just going to have to wait and see. But the idea I have, I want it to be very colorful, and then I want to cut my crease and maybe have that in gold with black eyeliner. I have this very specific image in my head, but I have no clue if that's exactly how it will turn out. But we're just gonna have to see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. Should I do a story time while I'm doing my makeup? Because let me know. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do either like talk throughs or story times while I'm doing my makeup. Like get ready with me. Like let me know what y'all want. Okay. You know what? I want to address this real quick. Y'all been in my DMs, in my Snap, in my, not my comments. Y'all nice in my comments. Y'all been on me about me not talking during my videos or like not showing my personality or whatever the case may be. Y'all gotta keep in mind, like this comes with experience, okay? It takes time, but that's a commitment that I'm making to y'all. I will try to talk more in my videos. I will try to show more of my personality, but yeah. I will be using this cute yellow right here, the green, the orange, blue, and that burgundy shade right there. So those are all the colors I'll be using. Alright, so just in case you are not able to tell by looking at where I am in the process, all I did was I used the yellow first, then the orange, and then this burgundy, then green, and then blue. So all I did was just finish blending that in. And my next step is just to cut my crease. I have learned that if you actually clean the area that you'll be cutting the crease in, it would be a lot more clean when you actually cut your crease. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. You can use Q-tips like I am. You can use makeup wipes and then just put on your finger and just clean it, whatever works for you.